So first thing first, you need to sign in on your own YouTube TV account under tv.youtube.com. And after that, you want to make sure you are already purchasing the base plan of YouTube TV and ensure the subscription is still active. Because you cannot watch Localish from ABC without having YouTube TV base plan first. So on the home page of YouTube TV, you want to go to your top right of your screen. And then you want to click right here on the store icon. And then you want to click on all to see all the networks. And then on the YouTube TV network, you want to click on it. And then you want to buy the YouTube TV membership, where you have to pay 16 bucks per month and you can get free trial. So click on next and then complete the purchase with your credit card, debit card, or even your PayPal. And after you buy the plan, you want to go to your top right of your screen again, but this time click on the search icon. And then you want to search for Localish. Right here on the Localish Network, you want to click on it. And then here you can scroll down and see the live session from the Localish of the ABC. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. And that's how to watch ABC Localish on YouTube TV. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.